Chao,
Nos vemos pronto. Chao, nos vemos pronto. Chao, Lau.
I be part of a fashion revolution movement. For me, it's really strong and important movements in the world, but it's super necessary that the consumer just transform in a responsible consumer and try to know this, who made my clothes.
¿Y vos, Sandra, qué estás haciendo?
Encastrando
Encastrando.
los módulos.
Ajá. ¿Y eso qué va a hacer? ¿Van a quedar muchos módulos?
¡Uf! ¡Un montón!
To be a sustainable company, a sustainable brand, it's got the three points like economic point, social point, and environmental. It's really important because if you just make one or two issues, it's not be a real sustainable company.
Yo la que voy a trabajar, la de, se llama Biotico.
What happened with the worker is crazy to think that you are buying sustainable clothes or sustainable shoes if they have slavery behind. We need to know complete the story. For me, I go maybe one step more is like combine your knowledge with the society, with the society problem like a vulnerable population, and go there and say, okay, I want to help you, and when you give you work and give you training for free, if you work with me and if you try to change your world.
¿Y Jessica te enseñó a hacer esto?
Es una buena profesora.
Here in Argentina, the people drink a lot of milk, and the milk bag is the more cheaper option that you can find in the supermarket. And then we receive this material, we go to ALPAD, and then we cut the bags, we open and clean with alcohol, and then we put again in rectangles, we plate, and we make a stripe, and then I receive this stripe, I call it textile, and then here we ensemble with my uncle, we ensemble the bag, cheap bags. My dream in the future is grow a little bit more and include other vulnerable population to ensemble the bags. It's not just like a donation, it's more like include and give tools and give information, and I think that I change the life of these people in a way.
Qué feliz tener un trabajo.
Qué feliz tener un trabajo, sí, claro, ¿cómo que no?